Welcome to my channel. This is Portine. In the past, you'd see those Beats headphones with the big B on them everywhere as soon as you stepped out. Remember when they were called Monster Beats and Diamond Tears? Now they're just rebranding and selling headphones under different labels. But these days, you see Sony headphones everywhere but Beats. Nowhere to be found. Not even knockoffs on the street corners. Where do these world-famous Beats headphones go? They've vanished. Between 2012 and 2014, Western street culture became widely popular in China and Beats were all the rage. I won't dive into why they were so trendy, but the issue now is that no one buys Beats anymore because they're too cheap. The market is flooded with fake Beats, especially at those street stalls which have completely disrupted the spending habits of the wealthy. Think about it, real high-end products cost thousands of dollars, so regular folks aren't going to spend that kind of money. Even if they consider buying fakes, they have to think about whether it fits their lifestyle, right? So here's the first point, rarity increases value. Secondly, the price of Beats headphones can't go any higher. Their average price is capped at $2,000 and the sound quality is poor with lots of noise. Plus they aren't worth showing off anymore because everyone has them now and even celebrities have stopped wearing them. No wonder they aren't selling. As of early July when we made this video, the Solo Buds released last month and have only received a disappointing 500 orders. This time the packaging emphasizes eco-friendliness and low shipping costs with a compact and exquisite charging case complete with springs and anti-magnetic features. The ladies in the office all love it, but there's a big downside. It doesn't come with a battery or wireless charging. So I guess it's more like a fancy storage case, right? This pair of headphones has a stylish design featuring two circular B logos. They come with a high-capacity battery and weigh 5.7 grams. A single charge lasts about 18 hours. When worn, they fit snugly, offering good passive noise cancellation. However, after less than 2 hours, they start to feel a bit uncomfortable. They still use buttons for controls. The biggest issue is that they fit too tightly in my ears. Opening my mouth or pressing them changes the ear pressure and affects the sound, sometimes causing discomfort. There's no active noise cancellation, only high passive noise cancellation. I don't mind, but this side effect does impact the overall experience of it. Battery life of up to 18 hours. Wow, I can't possibly use it up in one day. The whole charging concept is kind of revolutionary, just like a smartphone, but still less than 20 hours. Nowadays, we're talking about battery life of 40 hours, so the headphones can't compare at all.
Pressed at $80.
These headphones don't even have in-ear detection or active noise cancellation. The discounted Studio Buds are more suitable. They offer 24 hours of battery life, a better fit, and noise cancellation. In every aspect, they are much better than this new model. Pricing is so high, like the new iPad Pro, too expensive. Even with a similar bean-shaped design, Ceramic X outperforms it in terms of sound quality, battery life, and noise cancellation. And they're also the Sony XM5 and AZ80, which is superior in every way. Beats doesn't have an advantage in features, so you're just paying extra for the Apple and Beats brand. This time, the headphones use a composite diaphragm and custom units, resulting in total harmonic distortion, THD, of only 0.34% with a maximum of less than 1%. It can be said that the sound quality of these headphones is quite high fidelity. They even feature an unprecedented design, with the driver aligned with the sound outlet, making them very hi-fi with significantly reduced natural distortion. According to the frequency response curves, there are no major issues with these headphones. Compared to the previously poorly rated Beats headphones, at least this model sounds more normal. The bass is not as overwhelming as expected. It won't give you a headache, being tight and controlled. It might feel a bit too restrained, lacking impact and feeling somewhat cramped. The advantage is that they are relatively easy to listen to for extended periods, but they have lost the classic characteristic sound. The 2.5K peak has a rise, making the trebles super controllable and the vocals more prominent. However, like most Harman Kardon earphones, the vocals sound thin and lifeless. This one is no exception. It lacks emotion. Subjectively, it's not great, but objectively, it's okay. The treble is balanced but lacks finesse. The extension is decent, but the soundstage has a bit of a depth. Although very small, the width is almost non-existent. The overall sound is quite flat, like a standard answer. The lower end isn't too low, but the upper end is limited. It doesn't have the vibe of Beats and isn't suitable for showing off. It needs more unique flavor and sound quality to really stand out in the bad parts. No cap, here's the bottom line. For the Beats Solo Buds, my suggested price is
$30.
With the brand markup, the max should be
$40.
Let's be real, the sound quality can't beat the Ceramic X, and the noise cancellation, it gets smoked. Battery life is a joke, just 18 hours, which are already weak 2 years ago. The only special features are finding your buds and choosing which mic to use. nothing more. It's not like I'm hating for no reason, just putting it into perspective. Considering these unique features,
$30,
ain't a stretch. The build and look are on point, but that's
$80,
the original price is a stretch. But hey, gotta flex that big B on the logo, right? Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed Poor Teen Challenge, please click the like, follow, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.